Modern metal-polymer materials must combine, at first glance, seemingly incompatible properties: the strength and wear resistance of metal, the low density of polymer, and stable functional characteristics during operation. However, classical technologies for introducing metal fillers into polymers have fundamental limitations. Either the metal is distributed unevenly, or the mechanical properties of the material deteriorate sharply already at the filling stage. In addition, traditional methods practically do not allow for control over the interfacial interaction of the components, which directly affects the wear, electrical conductivity, and heat resistance of the finished product. We approach this problem not from the perspective of formulation, but from the perspective of raw material preparation technology. That's how the solution came about: the AVSp 100 unit, which allows the composite structure to be formed even before the product shaping stage.
The problem with classical composites always comes down to two parameters: concentration and distribution. Up to a certain level, the metal filler simply doesn't work, and once that level is exceeded, the polymer matrix loses its strength and uniformity. In real production, this leads to unstable material batches, increased defects, and the constant need to adjust the formulation. Our approach is different. We ensure the metal is ground down to the micron level and intensively mixed under high energy conditions. This allows us to use less metal while achieving stable and repeatable composite properties.
The key to the efficiency of AVSp is the action of the vortex layer in an alternating electromagnetic field. In the reaction chamber, ferromagnetic elements move chaotically at high speeds, creating intense local impacts, shearing, and micro-deformations. As a result, not only dispersion occurs but also activation of the particle surfaces. This increases adhesion between the polymer and the metal and ensures stable fixation of the filler. That is why processing in AVSp produces an effect unattainable by conventional mechanical mills.
In conventional mills, similar processes take tens of minutes or even hours. In AVSp, it takes just tens of seconds or even seconds. But the key difference is not just in speed. A ball mill forms a mechanical mixture where the components remain as separate phases. AVSp creates conditions in which the metal is fixed on the surface of the polymer particles. This makes it possible to achieve more stable electrical, tribological, and mechanical properties of the material without complex chemical modifications.
AVSp is not a narrowly specialized device. It works with dry bulk materials, polymer powders, metals, oxides, and functional additives. For the manufacturer, this means the versatility of a single piece of equipment for various tasks. That is why AVSp is used not only for metal polymers, but also for preparing compositions in the chemical, construction, and electrical engineering industries, as well as in R&D projects where rapid recipe changes and scaling are important.
We evaluate not just the process itself, but its final effect. After processing polymer powders with metal activators in the AVSp, we achieve a uniform distribution of metal without agglomerations throughout the entire volume of the material. This directly affects the economics of production. For the client, this means lower energy costs for subsequent operations, savings on raw materials due to more efficient use of the filler, and the ability to easily integrate the unit into existing lines without having to rebuild the process.
AVSp is not a laboratory experiment and not a pilot solution. It is an industrial technology for creating metal-polymer materials with predictable properties and controlled microstructure. It allows for stable scaling of the process from pilot batches to mass production without any loss of quality. Learn more about the equipment, technological capabilities, and examples of AVSp implementation on our company's website, and see how this technology can enhance your own production.